So today we're going to walk through some apps and softwares you can use to bring your ideas to life. From an idea to a full-on illustration ready for the manufacture or just to visualize the end product for your collection. Fashion design includes sketching an idea and technical specifications. The old school method of sketching on paper is outdated. These apps will help you sketch your ideas fast and customize them on the go. If you don't have a fancy tablet to create your craft sketch on, you can still use the paper and scan to option method. This is when you sketch down your design on paper, scan it with the printer, and send it to a software or application such as Adobe Illustrator. Now, Adobe Illustrator is where fashion and technical designers use Illustrator to draw flat sketches or functional sketches with callouts for construction and styling details to put them in tech packs so you can team up. If you are new to Illustrator, I've listed several links below on tutorials and classes you can check out. Also, Domestika has a sale on a various number of classes including Illustrator and character designs. Up next, we have CLO 3D. It may look intimidating at first glance, but with enough hours put in, you'll be able to create cool looking 3D designs for your fashion collection. It begins with picking up a 3D body avatar or dress form available in different shapes and sizes. Then either import your own pattern or draw them from scratch directly to CLO. Finally, pair each seam of the garment and select fabric to see them all coming together in 3D. You can then fine-tune your designs in real time and adjust the pattern. And lastly, we have Fashion Design Flat Sketch for Android and Pret-A-Template for iOS. These apps offer over 500 templates to choose from, including bodies and details like shoes, predefined skin, hair, and makeup color palettes for a quick success. But with these apps, you don't have as much freedom as you'd have with desktop softwares, but they can still be useful to lay down your ideas. I've got all the download links to these apps and classes in the description. Check them out, and happy fashion designing.